Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Last video we looked about dashboard with fully analysis, vehicle pushing, staff performance and revenue trend. But in this video we will show that the when come validation when you pass from then display validation. So let's see. So here select this membership and now write here this vehicle name like a Swift. Add here is this plate number is already used and provided for this vehicle. So here again write or select here this license plate number. Now same here write brand Suzuki. Select here this color, vehicle name. Again add here this now Mahindra, model name, vehicle color is plate, and now agree this. And now notice here this license plate number is 7890 and this plate number 6675 is already provided for this another vehicle. And when you try to again this shown now and then display here this validation that vehicle with license plate number 7890 is already exist, so you cannot get this plan. So here one violation is come when same license plate number. Now go to vehicle wash and here already put this 7870 this. So again select here the same. Now add here is vehicle color. Select here this preferred date 10. And when you confirm this booking and then display here this vehicle is not included in your membership because one time created and already confirmed your booking. So when you try to create or confirm booking for the same membership or license plate number without purchasing or getting membership plan, then display here this vehicle, your membership is not included. So first you need to purchase membership and then after you create or confirm booking for the vehicle washing. So here second time get this validation. Now go to your vehicle washing app, go to your created wash order, go to this basic wash and now new in Tuesday. Now start and wash. So here define this inspection and when you open it, here already added this inspector and moved in past date. So here need to go any other order that will not assign any inspector. So go to this basic wash. Now start wash and now create this inspection. Go to this and not now include this inspector. So without adding here inspector, when you try to pass, then display here this validation. Please assign an inspector before marking the inspection as a passed. So here must be added inspector like it is full. Let's see, and now you can easily pass this and move in pending to past state. So here third type of validation come when same license plate number, when already use membership or plate number, when confirm your washing order, and third time without passing here inspector then display validation. Now next video we will see about reporting. Thank you.